Okay, this is Ice House Street. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And here's a hotel, mini hotel. And actually, it's I'm kind of right behind a Lan Kwai Fong, which is the nightlife area of Hong Kong. And I'm going to be walking down the hill a little bit, down Ice House Street. Spanish restaurant here. FCC. Okay, let's see. Big Spanish restaurant there. Zetland Street. So let's go see what this street takes us to. Basically, I want to work my way downhill a little bit. Some really nice cars right here. I don't know what kind of car that is. A Bath. I don't know if you know what a Bath is. It looks really cool though. Nice looking car. And here's another nice car. What is this? A Mini Cooper? This is Mini. I don't know my cars very well. I haven't owned a car in about 25 years. Oh yeah, Mini Cooper. That's what those look like. Okay. Pretty cool little cars. So, security cameras. It's kind of a normal car. These are parking garages, so usually people will rent a space. It's getting a little chilly out tonight. So we're kind of walking down the hills a little bit, as you can see. Wine bar. Okay. Alright, we're just going to keep walking down these little alleys. It's basically a back alley, so there's obviously more restaurants and, you know, there's people in that alley. Evidently they're talking. They're kind of sitting among the trash. Here in the back there. Stinkfish, okay, interesting. Mayflower. Mind your head. So, alright. Some jewelry. So now we're up on the main road. So this one's Queens Road Central. And I think I'm going to turn off the camera in a little bit. Selfie. Over. Okay, I hope I can cross the street over here. We'll just keep filming. It's kind of nice sometimes. A lot of times if you see videos of Hong Kong, you just see the same stuff. Because usually it's tourists going to the tourist places. But since I live in this area, I've walked down different places and you get a different feel for stuff. Versace, whole nice place right there. So you can see all the clothing and the okay, let's see. Galleria. So you can see it kind of goes up in the hills a little bit, right? So this place is Hong Kong Central. And it's also Lan Kwai Fong is near here. There's a clock right there on that wall. Okay, let's see if we can take this. We can't. Actually, you get a fine if you cross this, but I really want to cross this green light right here. So it's going to run across real quick. Made it. landmark hotel, landmark building. So, okay. So this place is called Off-White. And I'm just gonna keep on exploring. I'm gonna turn it off in a minute. So this is central, kind of near Lan Kwai Fong, and we're near some different parks. I'm gonna walk towards the station right now, basically. And this area has quite a bit of wealth. There's the trams coming in, you can see one in the distance there. This particular camera, I don't have a zoom, so I'm not able to zoom into things and share like I would with my other camera, but it's easier to walk with this particular one. Let's see. So I think I'm going to conclude here. And this one is where all the trams come, so I'm going to end it here so you have another feel of what the city looks like. Across this street while I can. Skyways, buses, trains. Okay.